How to fix volume on Spectrum remote. Replace the remote batteries with new ones to ensure proper power. Make sure the TV and Spectrum cable box are turned on. Point the remote directly at the TV with a clear line of sight. Press the TV button on the remote so it controls the television. Press the volume button slowly to check for response. Turn off the TV and unplug it for 1 minute. Unplug the Spectrum cable box and wait 1 minute. Plug the TV and cable box back in and turn them on. Hold the menu and OK buttons together to reset the remote. Follow the on-screen steps to pair the remote with the TV. Test the volume buttons after pairing is complete. Replace the remote or contact Spectrum support if volume still does not work. Thank you for watching.